Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Ivelisse. Let's get started. Hi, my crafty fam, and if you're new to my channel, welcome! I found some rose paper napkin pieces in my drawer and had planned to show you how to decorate a two-toned bottle with them. However, when I reached this step, my creative juices started flowing and I just couldn't help myself. I kept the same concept, but gave the design a little glow up. I'm glad it happened because now I can demonstrate how something as simple as changing the color combo can drastically change the outcome of your projects. Instead of the red roses, I decided to use these beautiful multicolored roses left over from the wedding bottle I made a couple weeks ago. But now I have to repaint the bottle to match. Now that's more like it. I haven't even put it together, but you can already see how much better this color combo is. Once they're all cut out, I could decoupage them directly onto the bottle as is because they're laser printouts. But I want to create a certain look on the bottle, and to do that, I'm going to turn these into appliques. I start by painting a piece of white fabric with the antique parchment. Next, I applied an even layer of Mod Podge. While that dried, I sealed the bottle and topper with a matte spray sealer. Now it's time to head over to the ironing board. To protect it, place a piece of parchment paper over it. Place the fabric on top and place all your cutouts on top of that. I left a space between them to allow for a small border around each one when I cut them out. That border is the whole reason why I'm creating these appliques. Once you have all your pieces down, cover them with another piece of parchment paper. Use your iron on the highest heat setting and no steam, only high heat. Iron everything down. Now I will cut them all out, leaving a slight edge. All that's left now is to put it all together. I had a hard time using the spray glue due to the edges, so I recommend using tacky glue instead. Be careful and avoid getting any glue on the edges. Now that it's all finished, you can see why I wanted to add the border. The roses stand out and create a beautiful contrast against the flamenco red, resulting in a seamless transition between the two colors. You also got to see how crucial it is to the overall design to pick the right color combo to go with your design. It makes a huge difference in how your piece will turn out. As I mentioned before, my initial idea wasn't this fancy, but I'm glad I went with it because I love how this bottle turned out. That's it for this week's video. I just wanted to demonstrate how to use my appliques to decoupage over two colors, no matter the shades. I use laser printouts, but you can use paper napkins, magazine cutouts, rice paper tissue, wrapping paper, and anything else that has a design you would like to use. I hope this video was helpful and that it inspired you to create something of your own, just as long as you remember to have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos.